Earth is home to countless mysteries, from the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks. But few enigmas are as terrifying as places where people disappear without a trace. Throughout history, there have been numerous reports of individuals, groups, and even entire settlements vanishing into thin air. What lies behind these eerie disappearances? Are they the result of supernatural forces, unknown natural phenomena, or something even more sinister? This documentary will delve into some of the most infamous cursed places where people seem to vanish, never to be seen again. We will examine both historical and modern cases, analyzing eyewitness reports, scientific studies, and speculative theories to uncover the possible explanations behind these vanishings. The Bermuda Triangle, the vanishing waters. The Bermuda Triangle is perhaps the most famous mysterious location on Earth. Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this region has been associated with numerous disappearances of ships, airplanes, and people. Reports of compasses spinning wildly, sudden storms, and eerie lights have fueled theories ranging from alien abductions to interdimensional portals. One of the most baffling cases is Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that vanished in 1945, followed by a rescue plane sent to find them. The pilots reported strange navigation issues before losing contact. Some believe the area harbors an underwater anomaly disrupting electronics, while others think there could be time warps or extraterrestrial involvement. Additional cases, such as the disappearance of the SS Cotopaxi in 1925, add to the legend. Could the triangle be home to an unknown force capable of swallowing entire vessels and crews? Adding to the mystery are numerous modern accounts from pilots and sailors who experience sudden electronic malfunctions and navigational errors when passing through the region. Some researchers propose that deep-sea methane hydrates erupt, reducing water density and causing ships to sink suddenly. Others suggest powerful magnetic fields interfering with compasses and aircraft controls. Despite various investigations, no single explanation fully accounts for the triangle's deadly reputation. More recently, commercial airline pilots have reported strange cloud formations with glowing lights inside, theorizing the presence of electromagnetic storms. Additionally, declassified naval reports hint at unregistered underwater objects moving at impossible speeds. Could these phenomena be evidence of unknown scientific anomalies or proof of extraterrestrial monitoring? Further complicating matters, historical records from as early as Christopher Columbus's voyages describe erratic compass readings and unexplained lights, indicating that the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle spans centuries. Could this be a naturally occurring phenomenon or something yet to be understood by modern science? The Dyatlov Pass incident, a Soviet mystery. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers embarked on a trek through the Ural Mountains. What was supposed to be a routine expedition turned into a horrifying enigma when their bodies were discovered in bizarre conditions. Some had crushed bones without external wounds, others showed signs of extreme radiation, and one victim was missing a tongue. Soviet authorities closed the case, citing an unknown compelling force. Could it have been an avalanche, military experiments, or something far beyond human comprehension? Some theorists propose a link to infrasound waves causing disorientation, while others believe in Yeti or alien encounters. Newly declassified documents suggest military involvement, but no definitive answers have emerged, leaving the Dyatlov Pass incident one of the most chilling mysteries in history. More recently, forensic studies have attempted to provide rational explanations, suggesting that katabatic winds could have triggered the event, forcing the hikers to flee in panic. However, this does not explain the bizarre injuries found on the victims. Locals have long spoken of strange lights in the sky, hinting at potential extraterrestrial or secret military activity in the area. Despite extensive research, the mystery remains unsolved. Adding to the speculation, recently discovered journal entries from the hikers indicate they may have been frightened by something unseen, prompting them to leave their tents in haste. Could there be an undiscovered force lurking in the Ural Mountains? Hoia Baciu Forest, the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania. Deep in Romania lies a forest infamous for strange occurrences and unexplained vanishings. Visitors report disorientation, electronic malfunctions, and an overwhelming sense of dread. The forest gained notoriety when a shepherd and his flock allegedly vanished within its boundaries. Scientists have investigated the site, discovering unusual magnetic anomalies and radiation spikes. Photographic evidence of ghostly apparitions and floating orbs adds to the mystery. Legends tell of a portal to another dimension hidden among the twisted trees. Is this forest home to a paranormal gateway, or is there a scientific explanation behind its dark reputation? Could naturally occurring energy fields be interfering with human perception, or is there something more sinister at play? Eyewitness accounts describe shadowy figures and unexplained voices echoing through the trees. Some paranormal investigators have recorded temperature fluctuations and sudden electronic disruptions when attempting to document the anomalies. A peculiar clearing in the middle of the forest, devoid of vegetation, adds another layer of mystery. Some believe it to be a landing site for UFOs or an entrance to an unknown realm. Adding to the intrigue, historical records suggest that ancient Romanian folklore speaks of spirits and entities lurking in the forest, warning travelers not to venture too deep. Could these legends be rooted in real encounters with something beyond human comprehension? The Bennington Triangle, New England's own mystery zone. Between 1945 and 1950, a series of unexplained disappearances plagued Vermont's Bennington Triangle. Hikers, hunters, and even a college student vanished without leaving a trace. Among the most famous cases was that of Paula Weldon, an 18-year-old who was last seen hiking before seemingly being swallowed by the wilderness. Locals whisper about a supernatural force lurking in the woods, while others point to a rogue predator or even a hidden network of underground caves trapping the lost. Theories range from serial abductions to portals leading to alternate dimensions. The sheer number of missing persons cases within this relatively small area makes the Bennington Triangle one of the most unnerving locations in North America. Adding to the mystery is the complete lack of any remains or belongings from the vanished individuals. Unlike typical missing person cases, where some evidence eventually surfaces, those who disappear in the Bennington Triangle seem to vanish as if they were erased from existence. Some researchers speculate about underground magnetic disturbances that might interfere with human perception, leading to disorientation and fatal accidents. Reports from amateur paranormal researchers describe unsettling encounters, from sudden drops in temperature to strange whispering sounds echoing in the trees. Could the Bennington Triangle be home to an unknown energy source or interdimensional rift? Lake Anjikuni, a vanished village. In 1930, an entire Inuit village near Lake Anjikuni in Canada reportedly disappeared overnight. Trappers arrived to find abandoned huts, untouched food, and no sign of struggle. Even the villagers' sled dogs were found frozen to death, still tied to their posts. Theories range from alien intervention to mass migration, but no concrete evidence has ever explained this chilling event. Some researchers believe the story may have been exaggerated over time, yet no one has been able to provide a satisfying answer. Did the villagers flee in panic, or were they taken by something beyond our understanding? The unsolved mysteries of our world. Despite advances in technology and science, the world still holds mysteries that defy explanation. these cursed places continue to claim lives and leave us with more questions than answers. Until definitive explanations are found, we can only wonder, what truly happens to those who disappear into these enigmatic locations? From the lost travelers of the Bermuda Triangle to the eerie forests of Transylvania, humanity's quest for answers continues. Perhaps in time, we will uncover the truth behind these disappearances, or perhaps some mysteries are meant to remain unsolved.